These are the service lifts. I don't even know where we are. I think we're at some shopping center. But the address is Mäster Samuelsgatan 42, which is that office building through there in Stockholm, Sweden. These are KONE MonoSpace gear disc with KSS D20. That one doesn't work, only this one works. I don't know if this one's unlocked, so we're gonna call myself back down. Go to 2. This lift is filled with soda bottles, so we can barely fit in here. I can't even go to E because that's locked, but 2 is open. Very strange. The 2. Let's go to some sort of kitchen. Sometimes one is open. Not much to look at because it is filled with crap, but yeah, this is what it looks like.